Everything is handmade, okay? And we made here 3 different techniques. The Majolica technique, the plant tiles, or painting with a brush, it's the most popular in Portugal. And we made 2 Moorish techniques. The tiles with relief, and the technique of dry rope.
These two are yeah, there you go. Right.
We have a tile. We're gonna fill the little spaces, one by one.
Look at these two. The two. This one's shiny.
¿Cuánto tiempo en total pintando eso?
To show you, it's this photo. This photo here, it's the photo of the most important.
Beautiful. Is that like a carnation? Looks like, no?
I don't know what it is.
What? I don't know.
It almost looks like a thistle.
Yes, that's a. You know that?
Cheeses have drops, and England cheddar cheese and other cheeses. First of all, 1937, my future father-in-law, my daughter's grandfather, bought this farm. The cardoon, which has been soaking since yesterday, is very carefully drained, broken down a little bit in the pestle and mortar, and then the water is re-added, squeezed very tightly, and that liquid is also added to the pot. Green card stuff we made yesterday, and the final cheese, as they tell me. 3 of you on each side of the table. Oh, beautiful. The reason we're doing it in 3 is if we were making the cheese, we wouldn't want any other bacteria to come in, because the cheese has a natural bacteria, right? It's very nice down the bottom there, it's got a good shape. Oh. Start rubbing your hands together. It's 45% fat. Sit down and I'll come again.
Just checking, you know.
Okay.
She's particular.
Borderline there.
Yeah, I'm on the book.
These two are very thick, not because they had a lot of water, it's because someone forgot that tree and they have 18 years old instead of 9. It means less quality and it goes up until the highest qualities. Opening an empty bottle of wine, it's a really bad feeling. So we don't want that to happen, and that's why they are made always this way. This size over here, it's not enough anymore to make a wine stopper. It's still to make stoppers, but for smaller ones like we have here that you see or you find in a liquor, olive oil, some spices.
Está trabajando, planting his plant. Couldn't do it in a different way. He
I'd
would
have
do
a
it
longer hoe and I wouldn't have to lean over quite so much.
So this is the way down here.
let me introduce you our team. I'm Sophia, Maria, Philippe, Veva. Hi. Okay? Before we really start working, I like to give you something to eat because I'm afraid you start eating the ingredients. Everybody here knows how it works? No? Okay. I need one volunteer here to help me. Okay. I'm going to use rubbing alcohol. Really? This is 70%. And I'm going to put the rubbing alcohol in this little dish. This sausage is made with black pork meat. That's it.
That's nice. I've never done this before.
You like to cook? I love to cook. Yes? We are not removing the skin. No.
Time
And
is
I ask you, we are going to
so
prepare rosemary. I
one
ask
type
you to
or another.
separate.
Important.
Is your husband?
No, he's got a mustache.
Now you're in. Perfect. Pretty soon it's all gonna be covered.
A little more. You have to be, because they were boiled with no salt.
You do the left, I do the right. Just go
Yeah,
right.
please, we have space for both. And
Okay. Yeah, you probably need it.
I see what you mean. I don't think it's not frozen.
He's taking pictures.
so what I ask you to do is to mix it all very well. The next step will be preparing.
I don't think my house would be burning at this point.
No.
Some pepper. The next step it will be, we will add these shoestring potatoes.
Oh.
Do you know how did I prepare them?
At the store?
I woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning to choose which store to go. First, I'm going to turn it a little higher because this one is faster. Dois, três. Handle the pot.
Oh, okay. I wasn't sure.
Seis. Yeah, I have to count in Portuguese. 1, 2, go, 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 go. Come on. Go, 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 go. Midland edges, midland edges, midland edges. Midland edges, come on. Go, 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 go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's very well. You are doing great. You can slow down a little bit.
No.
It's not that crazy. It doesn't need to be so crazy. If you want more, it's here.
What's this called?
Bacalhau à and the other group will explain you how to do. You enjoyed everything you did?
Absolutely.
Well, if it was not good, it's your fault. You are very good. I was worried at the beginning, but now then I realized. No, the first 10 minutes explain me it would be very good. I was.